Welcome back. In this video, we'll look into the introduction to Cloudera. So in the previous session, we understood big data testing scenarios and big data testing approaches. So what do you think? What's next? So next we can understand manual big data testing in Cloudera. So to get started for the big data testing in the Cloudera, it's telling wait. Why wait? Because we have to see what is Cloudera before getting into big data testing in Cloudera. So let's understand what is Cloudera. So what is Cloudera? Cloudera is a California-based American company focusing on creating big data solutions, and it is originally built around the Hadoop distributed framework. So it enables businesses to collect, store, process, and analyze vast sets of data across various environments. So whether it can be in the cloud or on-premises or a hybrid of both. So what does it offer? It offers integrated, multifunctional, self-service tools for data analysis and centralization while ensuring enterprise-level security and governance. So it has enhanced its platform on major public clouds, including AWS, Azure, and GCP as well. So we'll see what are tools included. So it includes tools for building, training, and deploying machine learning models at scale, and also helps in enhancing data-driven decision making. So it also includes tools for data ingestion, storage, processing, and analysis, so catering to diverse data workflows. So next, it is designed to scale to support petabytes of data and thousands of diverse users. And also, it integrates with popular business intelligence tools such as Snowflake, Power BI, Excel, Looker, Tableau, and many more to facilitate data visualization and reporting. Okay, there are many components. In this, we'll see the core components of Cloudera. So we have Apache Hadoop, Apache Spark, Apache Hive, Apache Impala, Apache HBase, Apache Scoop, Apache Yarn, and also Apache Zookeeper. So since we saw what is Cloudera and its components, now we can get started with the big data testing in the Cloudera platform in the next video. Thank you.